Hello?
How can I help? Yes.
My dad will be home soon.
Miss, calm down. Breathe. What's your name?
Lisa. My name is Lisa.
Okay, Lisa. Tell me what's going on.
My mom said that I needed to get my dad's phone, and I needed to call you, and I needed to make sure that you were going to get here before my dad comes home.
What will happen when your dad comes home?
Nothing. Nothing.
Are you sure?
No. He hits me sometimes, and...
And? Lisa, if you don't tell me what's happening, I can't help you.
No, I don't know. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Just stay on the line. We'll be right there.
I have to go.
Lisa, listen to me. Stay on the line. Help is on the way.
No, I have to go. I'm sorry. Hey, sorry, I fell asleep.
Did you have a nightmare?
No, it's nothing.
It's barely evening anyways. It's not late enough for nightmares.
Yeah, I wish it worked like that. Then you wouldn't have to deal with me on panic mode at 4 a.m. every morning.
Well, it's 6 a.m. for me here.
Yeah, I guess.
Speaking of, remember that trip I was planning? Well, I decided to stop by Bangkok for a day. We should meet up.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'll be there in a week.
Next week? That's soon.
I mean, I can cancel if you want.
No, it's fine, I'm sorry.
No. If you don't want to see me, I get it. I was just hoping to get a glimpse of you outside of your pictures.
No, I'm sorry. I was just thinking that I had plans with Anna next week, but it's okay, I'll just cancel them.
Great. Just tell her you're busy or something.
Yeah. Well, we did kind of already have a karaoke room reserved.
Oh, karaoke, that sucks.
No, but it's okay. I'll just tell her I can't make that either.
No. I know how much you love karaoke. How about I go with you instead?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Great. I'll see you later then. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Not find the words to make you stay somehow, anyhow. Now that I can clearly see that you're never coming back to me, one thought won't let me be. Love will never be the same. Love will never be half so amazing.
Hey!
Hey! We meet, finally!
Yeah. You look nice.
Thanks.
I mean, really. You're beautiful.
Thanks, I mean, it's nothing really.
So, what do you want to do now?
Well, karaoke?
Okay. But I get to pick us the first song, alright?
Yeah, okay.
I'll get us a few drinks. What do you want?
I don't know.
I'll give me a few of those, and you a couple of these. Is that good? You know, so Finnegan say, "Oh, out of fucking Asahi's." That's what I was like. Why couldn't I order my Asahi beer? I just wanted a fucking. I've been kind of good beer, but I'm stuck with this shit. You know, a bit. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I thought you'd like it. That's why I got it for you.
Yeah.
What are we doing here? You're really pretty and very cool.
Thanks.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah. I mean, no. Sorry. I think I just got used to saying yes.
Why?
Because guys get weird and touchy when they think you're single.
You don't like it when guys get touchy?
I mean, not really.
Like that? I mean, why not? How could someone resist you when you look so damn beautiful?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have any money for dinner.
It's alright. I got some.
It's fine. I think
Consider it.
it's okay. Sorry. I'm sorry.
I came all this way to see you, and you're just gonna fucking ditch me? Just for one night.
No. Hey.
Fucking whore!
Yeah? I know. Hey, did something happen?
No, it's nothing. I just thought I'd call you.
You okay?
I don't know.
Do you want to come over? Okay, just come over as soon as you can, okay? The new place. I'm gonna get you some ice cream and I'll be back. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'll be there. Thank you.
Anytime.
Hey,
Where's Anna?
she went to go buy something.
Okay,
Do you want to come in?
sure.
Okay. Are you Lisa?
Yeah.
That's nice. Anna never really introduced me to her friends. She's kind of secretive about her life, you know? So it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. Where's Anna's dad? Or I guess your dad now?
They're on their honeymoon.
Oh, that's nice. I'm happy for them.
Sorry, I'll get you some tea. Have a seat. Are you all right?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Hey, breathe. Just tell me if I can do anything to help.
Hey.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, everything's fine, don't worry.
Sorry I came late.
Oh my god, half-baked.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'll go get spoons.
So, what happened?
It's nothing, really. Why didn't you tell me about your dad and the honeymoon? And...
Oh, just haven't made my mind up about it yet.
You still could have told me.
Sorry, just I don't know if I like having a brother. I mean, I just. Sorry.
It's fine. It's getting dark anyways. Is Lisa staying here?
I think so.
See you tomorrow. And I'm trying.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Oh, it's okay. I know. Just think we all need some sleep. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Come on. Get sleep in my room. Hey.
Hey.
Sorry for not telling you about my dad.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Good night.
Night.
Hey.
Hey. Are you alright? Something happened, didn't it?
He put that money in my pocket while he was touching me.
Who?
Z, the guy I went out with, he started calling me beautiful. And then he started touching me. He started putting his hand up my thigh and acting like I should be grateful for it, like it was a compliment. And I couldn't do anything. And I just sat there. And the only thing I could bring myself to say was, sorry, I didn't bring any money for fucking dinner. Like, I couldn't feel him getting closer to me, and I couldn't feel his breath on my lips or his hand on my thigh moving up and closer until I don't know what would have happened if I hadn't have left, if I hadn't have been able to leave.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, well, he isn't. I mean, why would he be? He gave me money for it and all.
I'm so sorry. I woke up because I had a nightmare about my dad. He started when I was 9.
Doesn't get any easier, does it?
No, it doesn't. But I've got a new dad, kinda. And a new sister, even if she doesn't see me that way.
I mean, just give us some time. She'll be all right.
I hope so.
walk away. Not find the words to make you stay somehow, anyhow.